This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Amazulu 0. My sister, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. Yourself, Skim?
I'm good. What's your name? Where do you come from?
My name is Wikuto. I'm originally from Nokaneng. I'm located at Mamelodi.
Number one. What's your take on the game tonight?
I'm very happy too much. I'm so happy. Even though at first time they didn't play well, but I'm happy that my boys came back at second half and showed them who they are. I'm very happy.
Yeah.
Very happy. That's why I'm a Mamelodi Sundowns fan.
Yeah.
Kabo yelo masandawana. Boma Kiba losite. Kiba losite. Gallants 2-1 Orlando Pirates. Mogi Yankee Fitli. Kereka Saturday. The draw wana mutlolo.
Oraro ba ka se ga wena bo Maki.
Ba ka se boe. Ke re
ba lositse 2 games in a row and ba kwatile ba tlo kwatela modimo hao.
Ngeke ba ka ke le modimo ka.
Yeah ne.
Rena re buile strong. We are Mamelodi Sundowns. Ke bona le Bakane ka
2 minutes no true.
Ke re 2.
Don't forget.
2-1.
Don't forget.
Ke bona Maki ka mo morao. Ke bolela ke bona Maki. Ke re 2-1. O ska nana hore ba o jile 2 games o tlo boa ka rena. Re tlo bontsha hore Khodoso o irang. No matter re lose it tse inchidi.
O mona coach ra Pirates. O tlo ba assistants wa Sundowns.
Oh, ora le kula lela.
Lela.
Kula lela la bona.
Ke la go shosha nguve. Again.
It's okay. No. And then who was your man of the match?
My man of the match was Sales.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
All
the best.
Thank you.
For your soccer updates, visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.